Now that I have selected my file cabinet candidates, it's time to finalize them. Finalization means changing the type and name of each file cabinet to suit my needs and assigning a default file cabinet wherever I have more than one file cabinet of the same type. Since rootsTrust doesn't know how I intend to use my file cabinets, it sets the type of each one to combined, that is, one that can be used to store a mixture of document, multimedia, and heraldry files. In this demo, I will change the type of 3 of my 5 file cabinet candidates to document and the others to multimedia, since I don't use combined type file cabinets. So first I'll move this form over to the left and increase the horizontal size so that you can see everything that I'm doing. Let's start making my changes here. The first candidate I will change to document, since it is a document, contains documents of cemetery documents. The next one is also a document type file cabinet for people. And the third one is also a document type file cabinet for sources. Okay, the next one is multimedia because it contains photographs of people. And the last one is also multimedia. With images of places. So I'm not finished yet. Since I have more than one document file cabinet and more than one multimedia file cabinet, I need to assign defaults. Why do I need defaults? The default file cabinets are the ones that rootsTrust will use for storing files via drag and drop. If I am dragging a census image file from my downloads folder onto the event details form of rootsTrust for a census event, I want the image to be stored in the document type file cabinet for people rather than for cemeteries or sources. So I make the document file cabinet for people the default. So here you see the check mark appearing in the column, and here you have a description of what that means, since the column header is too narrow to put a description in it. Similarly, I make the multimedia file cabinet for people the default multimedia file cabinet. So multimedia people. And again, you see the check mark in the default column. At this time, if I had a mind to, I could, via the Add button, add one or more file cabinets that are not needed for the import, but that I know I will use later. I do not wish to do that at this time, so I'm finished.